I wanted to come on and tell you that I have decided to venture into the DIY world. So do it yourself. I am actually going to challenge myself and install trim on this wall here. So what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to do some preliminary things, like I'm going to get the measurements. I also need to go to the store, get tools, all the material, and I'm going to ask my husband to help me. I'm not going to do it alone, and he's going to first start off with helping me with actually taking the measurements. So I want to get the measurements of the wall and see what I'm working with. And I'm going to be honest with you, the only thing that's intimidating me are the measurements. So I don't know, you guys say a prayer, because I'm doing this for the first time and I'm somewhat of a perfectionist, so I really hope that this turns out nice. I know what I'm envisioning, something really simple, and I decided to start with this wall because it's not as high as another wall where I want to actually put some of the trim work. So the ceiling is 9 feet. And I think that this is like a perfect, for what I want to do, the style that I want to do, I think that this is a perfect place for me to start. But eventually, there are some other areas where I'm looking to do trim work in the house, which is my bedroom, the master suite, the hall, going up the stairwell, the partial bathroom, and then also in the foyer. So, but like I said, I'm going to start here, see how I do. So let's get to the measurements. But why would you look at the camera?
Because.
Oh, you don't need the ladder though. Here.
No, you should die in your wood. I don't put the ladder there.
I was gonna say, can you come out? Can you come over here? Over here, so they can see you measuring. Yeah, you want me to hold it? That's all I'm saying is you move it up top. I just hold it or something. That's what I'm saying. That's what I'm talking about.
Yeah, this is a weak tape measure.
No. See, friends? How you don't bring me.
That's a good one. You talking about from here all the way down there?
Yeah.
I thought it was 9 feet.
Well, that's probably to the floor that is 9 feet.
Yeah, to the floor is 9 feet.
But no, we don't want to go to the
You
floor.
want the wall.
To where the molding is at the bottom. Yeah. What is that?
Well, 104 and a half.
At the top?
Right here. Trim.
No, not the, just
Yeah,
right at the
molding.
top. Yeah.
At the top, yeah, 105.
Exactly 105
Yep.
inches? Okay. So that's 105, friends. 105 is the height.
And
We're gonna get the width. Here, how old is it? Right down here. Oh, you know what? You're gonna have to.
the whole wall.
Not the windows here.
You know the whole.
You gonna do it the other way? This way.
No, all the way to.
You gotta turn it. Down, go down.
Come on, you gotta twist.
Yeah, I turned it because it's easy to put his laying flat up against the wall. It's not flat this way.
Yeah.
Yeah. I was trying to lay it flat this way.
You speed through this.
Here. Turn that around. I'm trying to put this part flat to the wall.
Alright.
You gotta go down this.
You 166.5.
166.5.
Mhm.
All right, so it's 166.5 in width.
And you gotta
And then
remember,
the only thing we just need the
you don't gotta measure for that
the
window.
little, yeah, for the window part. So how
I
about
need
that?
to do it too.
Yeah, under the window. Get down. Yeah.
So it's always.
No, it's not 12. It's down too low. It's like right here. You can always cut it.
Yeah. It's gonna take
Eleven
more.
and a half.
It's gonna take more than just what we're doing right now. We're gonna need to do a little more. And we measure.
But no, but at least we got like a base. So see what this one is down here.
Mm. 19 inches.
Alright. So
Yeah.
that's the bottom window. 19 inches for the bottom.
Yeah.
Alright.
Yeah. Just straight.
We took the measurements. My husband and I helped me take the measurements of the wall. But I just want to kind of show you, pull out a little bit to kind of give you a full view of what the wall looks like. So here it is. So if my memory serves me correctly, it was 104 inches in height, and then the width was like 166. And then we did like the smaller part, top of the window and the bottom part of the window, where we need to add the trim. And I forget what those were. I think the top was like 11 and a half, and I forget the bottom. But this is the view. So I think now at this point, what I need to do is just understand like all the tools. And just hear my Chloe in the background. Ignore her. What I need to do, I do need to go and understand like all the tools that I need. So I want to make sure I have all the tools, and obviously get the trim. Basically my vision for the trim work that I'm going to do on this wall is just something vertical, just going down. So yeah, and it's going to go all across the wall. And then from a painting standpoint, it's going to be the same color paint that I use for the wall, the wood trim. And so my other idea, the other idea, so however the wall, Chloe, I'm recording. However the wall trim, kids. However the wall trim, the look for this wall is going to be the same for up here. So this is the other wall. So this is the other wall. So this is the other wall that I'm doing. I keep getting a phone call, so annoying. But this is the other wall. So obviously this is going up the stairwell, and it's a lot higher. So again, it's going to be the same look and feel as the wall in the dining room. And yeah, so that's the same. Obviously, this is more than 9 feet. So that's the trim that's going to go there. And so the other part where I want to show you where I'm going to put trim. So this is going to be, I'm going to do more of boxes here. It's going to be more of boxes here on this wall. Now this is in my foyer. So, you know, again, I'm trying to tackle the dining room first before I move to these other areas and see how successful and how well I do. But this is a section where I do want to do the trim work on here too. You guys, let me know, give whatever tips you have on trim work, please put it in the comments and let me know. If it's things that I'm not thinking about, let me know. I would greatly appreciate it because like I said, this is my first time I'm going to be doing this. So, yeah. And then the other part I want to show you again where I want to put trim work is in the powder room, the partial bath. I'm not really sure what design I want to put in here. I don't know. I'm thinking of something like, what do you call it? Not diagonal, like a diamond. I don't know what shape I want to. I don't want to do vertical. I definitely want to do something nice in here. But as you know, the walls, as I've been saying, the walls are going to be dark in here. But I definitely, and I'm not sure, so I'm going to like go on Pinterest and kind of like find something and see what I actually end up doing in the partial bathroom. But this is another area, so that's 3 areas so far. And then the final place where I'm going to be adding the trim work is in the master suite. So on this wall, the design I'm thinking about here is similar going to be the one that I just talked about in the foyer. So I want to do like some box cutout shapes here. And of course the painting, as I've been sharing with you guys, the painting on this wall is going to be, obviously the accent wall is going to be black. So yeah, so this is more box cutting, like the ceiling. I do know it's 9 feet ceiling. So, so yeah, so this is the last place. So this is probably going to be another short vlog. But before I close out this vlog, I am excited to share with you all that I finally found the light fixtures, or decided on the light fixtures that I'm going to put in my office and in my foyer. So I want to just show you guys what I decided to order, and that you guys are going to see up here really soon installed. I've decided to go ahead and purchase my additional lighting fixtures from RH. That's where I got my other light fixtures that I've shown you. So I just want to go in because I actually have these saved. They're on my wish list. So I'm going to just go on my wish list for now. Because there was like a couple. I was looking at a couple of these. Like here's the couch I'm considering getting. But not trying to show you that. Okay, so this is the light. This is the light here that I'm going to be getting for the foyer. I kind of really like this tier look. I was originally thinking of getting this one, but I just feel like the one, it just wasn't enough for me. And I kind of want, because I have like that window over top of the door, I kind of want it showing through there, like walking up, or if you're across looking from outside in the house. So I think I'm gonna go, I am gonna go with this one here. The only thing is, it's not gonna, it comes in another color, the black, but I'm going to actually get, well, it's not, well, it looks black, it's dark, but they call it like a bronze. I'm actually going to get that instead of the gold, because I wanted to flow with my door. And then the other one, oh, okay. So the other one is this one here. So let me see if I can make this bigger. Maybe it's going to come up. It may not come up. Let me see. Oh, there it is. There it is. All right. So the other one is this one here. So this is the one that's going to go in the office. But again, it's not going to be in that gold color. It's actually going to be in this color here. So I'm going to see if it's, okay, there it is. So again, I wanted the flow, from a color standpoint, I wanted the flow with the door. You know, my desk is black. Now, the only thing, I haven't put together my office chair yet, and that is actually cream and gold. So I am going to get a pop of gold, but it's going to come from the chair, and I just didn't want to have like so much gold in there. And then I also wanted to just feel different from the other rooms and lighting fixtures that I have in the home. So this one is gonna go in the office. So I really like this. I'll be honest, I was like actually going back and forth between the color, because I really do like this lacquered bronze here. It's like of a matte color, and I got this color in my dining and also the lighting fixture in my great room. And I was thinking like maybe just keeping it the same color consistent throughout the first main level of the home. But I think I'm just gonna change it up. I think I'm just going to go with that color there. Honestly, I just feel like I can't go wrong either way, quite frankly, whether I go with this color or the gold color. I think they're both gonna look beautiful. So I think I'm safe with both options. So that's that. And then let me go back because I do want to show you, I want to show you what the other light looks in. Probably got to go back to my wish list. I just want to show you what the other light, and Chastity's light right next to me. I thought I had it in here, but I'm gonna click on it. So this is the, oh, see, it comes up with the darker color. So yeah, so this is the one in the foyer. I like the tiered, like how many tiers is that? 1, 2, 3. So it's like a 3-tiered chandelier for the foyer, and I think it's so perfect. I wonder how many crystals are on here. But I think it's beautiful. Yep. So those are the 2 lighting fixtures that I decided to go with. I'm hoping to get those installed over, I'm gonna go with the same electric company that I used to install my great room light. So hopefully they have availability. I know they've been very busy. And hopefully when the lights come in, I can get them to install it within a couple weeks. But we'll see. But you already know, once they're in there, you know I'm showing you all what it looks like installed. So that brings me to the end of this vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed the vlog. I know this was another short one this week, but I am looking for suggestions on the tips on the wall trim. So anything, I just want to make sure I got everything before that I gather everything that I need, the tools, obviously the materials, so I could be successful at this my first DIY project in this home. And if you have not subscribed, just go ahead and click that subscribe button, and don't forget to like and also share. And again, I can't say it enough. Anything you want to share, put in the comments. I do reply to all of my comments. So until next time, bye-bye.